Hello and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be taking you along with an amazing fishing trip I just went on, and some crazy stuff happens. So get ready, here we go.
Between Kyler and Gav, and I'm sure they caught at least 2 fish.
You already know we're prepared, guys. We're prepared. Bass. Oh, there we go. He's tiny. Yep. There we go. Yeah, it's a big one. Holy crap, dude.
You just scared of it?
No, they
it out and dropped my thing and went wee.
keeps kicking me.
Does it bite? No.
No, they don't have teeth.
They stick your tongue out to get the bugs. I don't know how to frick I caught a bullfrog. Hey, look at time.
There it goes.
Where's my arm? No, it's up
Yep.
my arm.
Good luck, guys. Here's one. Got him. No, stop. Stop. Oh my gosh. He just screwed me up, man. Probably almost a pound. Somewhere around a pound. Yeah, he feels actually kind of heavy. Chill, man. There you go. Thanks for watching, and I hope you really enjoyed this video. I've been putting out a couple videos here and there. I'm going to put out a couple more videos. Let me know if you guys have a specific thing you want me to film. I can do anything from hunting, fishing, to, I don't even know, RC cars. Like anything you guys want I can do. Let me know in the comment section, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.